Let's learn how to fix Facebook long videos not showing up. So let us start by opening our Facebook application. First thing you want to do is to click on menu in bottom right corner and then click on this gear icon in top right corner. It will open settings and privacy page. You want to scroll down until you find this tab bar option. Now you'll have to click on customize the bar. And here you will see a lot of options. For you it should be placed like this, for example, so everything would be on auto. What you want to do is to select video and feeds and pin them. So you want to click on video and click on auto button, and you want to click on pin option. Now same for feeds, you want to click on auto and pin them again. Now when you do that, just go back one time and hold up, open these windows and just close Facebook. Now, if it still doesn't work after this, you want to check up on your App Store or Play Store if Facebook is updated to last version. So if it isn't updated, you want to update it, and after this should work. So that's it. Thanks for watching.